Hey everybody, this is Gary. I am sending you a video to let you know how to use the template for the outline and the script, and then also for the Google Slides PowerPoint-ish type of thing that you will use for your group project. Let me go first to the group outline here, the script project. I'm sending each of you a link for your group so that you can share this link outline, the group project outline script area. Now you'll notice that the first column has the slide topic, and you'll just name your slides there. The second column has the outline, where you'll just put in bullet pointed items as to what you're going to be discussing on those slides. And then the last column over here is the script, and that's exactly what you're going to be saying for each slide. That's very important, because once you get the script, then you can copy this and paste it over to the presentation notes on your slides. So for example, here's the slides, and it works just like PowerPoint, but down here at the bottom you have your presentation notes, and that's where you can paste this, the things that you're going to say. When you're using Screencast-O-Matic, the screen recorder, you just want to highlight only the slide area, which is right here in the middle. I have an example presentation. Basically it says I want to travel the world. So make sure you just highlight that, and then when you move through your slides, you can read the text at the bottom. You can see here that my title slide say, "Welcome to our presentation on traveling the world," and then the second slide. In the course of your life, you might find yourself traveling to various places around the world. So as you go through those, it's not going to record any of the script or things outside of that slide area. It will just record the slide area and recording your voice at the same time. So what you'll need to do with your group is by Tuesday night next week, after you get all of the responsibilities of the different subtopics out of the way, and that's due on Sunday night, make sure you use this with your group and cordon off or decide who is going to be talking about which slides, and then you guys can divide that up and start working on the sections that you're going to be working on. Slide number 1 is typically a title slide, and that's where you'll introduce your topic, what reading is it based off of, and all of your group members. And then the last slide, number 20, is going to be all of the citations of what articles did you use for your research, pictures, where did you borrow them from. Make sure you document all of the web addresses of the things that you got them from. And so that leaves about 18 slides in the middle, and for groups of 3 that would be about 6 slides each. Okay? So think about your subsections and your subtopics as covering 6 slides in this particular presentation. And then also think about trying to keep each slide and the narration of each one from 20 to 30 seconds. We don't want your slide, the whole presentation, going over 10 minutes, okay? 6 to 10 minutes would be ideal for the whole thing. So that's it in a nutshell. If you guys have any questions, make sure that you email me. But I believe also, once you do the slides and you record this with your group, you should be able to upload it to YouTube, save that link, and use that link for your submissions to both the assignment area on Carmen, and then also for your embedding that video into your u.osu.edu pages. Okay? So there you go. Have a great day.